Oh, hello. It's Mr. Harry here again. Recently I came home with this. It's called a daikon. D-A-I-K-O-N. It's a vegetable. A friend gave it to me from their garden. It's a vegetable that I'm not familiar with. We ate one and it's delicious. I'm hoping that some of you might be familiar with the daikon and might be able to share with your families or your friends or your classes what it's about, how it's prepared, how you might eat it. I'm also hoping that some of you could share different foods from your culture or your families with other people that you know. So we can learn about different cultures around the world. See what you can do. Share some of your culinary secrets from home. That would be lovely. We'll see you soon.